So very nice heavy-duty ratchets, and they did come with instructions, which is beneficial because usually I'm kind of a hands-on guy trying to figure things out, but with these ones took me a little bit. So they lock in nicely, and to release it you just lower down, push on the green one, and then I think you should also be able, you can definitely do it in a manual fashion, but to remove the slack you just push all the way down and then it goes in. So very nice, and you can retract it just like it is with clicks, but I found it easier to do like so. Alright, so yeah, very pleased. It is heavy duty. The thickness of the material is appropriate. I don't know if they're actually rated for anything heavy, but definitely good enough for what I'm going to use it for. And it has a hole at the bottom, which is not really accessible, but I think it still can be used to lock on something.